junkies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reinstalling this 13x4 HD 32-inch deep wave wig that I found in an Atlanta hair store last June. So if you want to see how I achieved this install, keep on watching.
These hoes don't want no smoke, they want exposure. He wanna eat it again just for closure. If he a slut, I might let him come over. I'm all in his mouth like a goddamn boulder. Full plate, so I need me a big meal. Big boss, so a bitch got big bills. Big P's back out with the big wheels. Big L-E-O, I'm a big deal. Pick that dick up, we not humping. Skies on beats, my block jumping. Jump out the black truck, we start dumping. In the field with 100 kids, no trumpet. Main nigga just cut me off, fuck it. Nigga stop talking, just come suck it. When it's smoke with the ops on duck it. We kick smoke up, they kick bucket.
Ooh, he coming off way too pushy. I hope he don't think he was spitting this pussy. Like his bitch is psychotic. Sit on this pussy, explain why I'm tired. How you talk shit but ain't backing it up? Your pussy back, then it back to the club. I'm a boss bitch, I can't argue with mud. Head straight to the bank, I've been adding it up. Get rid of his ass, I'm like, get on. Need a new nigga to shit on. Look at these bitches, I can't take them serious. I'm on your ass just in case you was curious. Uh-oh, bitch, I hop out the bed with my brother on. And his shit, he ain't something I can love on. Damn, he talking about coffee. He gotta be stupid to think we was fucking.
Pick that dick up, we not humping. Skies on beats, my block jumping. Jump out the black truck, we start jumping. In the field with 100 kids, no trumpet. Main nigga just cut me off, fuck it. Nigga stop talking, just come suck it. When it's smoke with the ops gon' duck it. We kick smoke up, they kick bucket.
Wake up, mister, I think it hurts.
Wake up, mister, dick everywhere but the fucking shit, huh?
Wake up, mister, I need a break after the first fuck round.
Y'all be thinking pink, stand up.
For me, real love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me, make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching, feeding. I know you want it, scheming. I know you need it, trouble. You want it all, you don't. I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this like it wants you? Know that booty gon' do what it wants to. Can't hit it one time, multiple. I know you see this red on me. Now come and get 20, 40, 80, I can trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. Hit me right back. Call me when you wanna get caught. 20 man turn up with the rats. I be P on my bag, double G's on my dash. Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. When you wanna get, well, you can't get no higher than this. No. Love don't get no higher than this. No, no.
St. Louis, heavy on it.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
Yeah, that nigga bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out.
Hey yo, bet my name is Pink. I made him go get that ink. Let him eat the pretty pussy that he keep trying to make. I'm pimpin' Pinky Ring. His ex is a swinky dick. I'm about to pop a thingy, then sip on this drinky drink. Hit the quick, but my bitch's tip. Nigga with my tip. I'm a flip like 100 bricks. Get back on my lick. I'm a bitch. I want bitch and grits. Throwing hissy fits.
I ain't talking about chicken when I jerk it with my tits. I be twerking on that tip, cause I'm slipping. We trip when I ride it, choke his neck or make sure no we doing splits.
Hello, girl, guess who baby daddy poppin' they pussy in my motherfucking
In Miami hoe, he like he stuck on his camel toe.
Eat the pound cake down. I'm west up, booty hole west down.
Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out.
7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak. Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop with this wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got with this wet ass pussy. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a kill, what is inside? Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. This pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. That's roleplay, I went the skies. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it cream, make me scream. I don't public, make the scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Jump out when you let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I'm run down on them before I have a nigga running me. Talk your shit, bite your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that dick. While you really ain't never got a fucking for a thing. He already made his mind up before he came. Now get your boots, hang your coat. Fuck this wet ass pussy. He bought a phone just for pictures of this wet ass pussy. Pay my tuition just to kiss me on this wet ass pussy. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet ass pussy.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke. Not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lead over. He got some money, then that's where I'm headed. Pussy ain't run, just like his credit. He got a beard when I'm tryna wet it. I let him taste it, I hit diabetic. I don't wanna spit, I wanna go, I wanna gag, I wanna choke. I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's swinging the back of my throat. My head can misfire, when I need the sun, it's going and dry, it's coming outside. Yeah, I run on that thing, the cars behind me. I spit on his mic and I hear tryna sign me.
Your Honor, I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In the wrong chain, I'm the one that eats you. If he ate my ass, he's a bottom feeder. Big D stand for big demeanor. I can make you bust before I ever meet you. If it don't hang, then he can't bang. You can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. If he fuck me and ask who's is it when I ride the dick, I'ma spell my name.
Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop with this wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got with this wet ass pussy. Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass pussy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet ass pussy. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet ass pussy. Huh?
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. I'm a fifth for hand, getting fucked up with my twin. Got a backwood.
And this is the final look of the install. It came out so great. It was so funny how I just found this wig in an Atlanta hair store and I bought it and I've had it since June of last year. Like, this wig is tea. It's a 32-inch deep wave and it's HD lace. I wish I could find a link to link it for the girlies, but I can't. But I'll put the wig details down below still, even though I don't have a link. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think and what other content you would like to see from me. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on my next YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yes.